Making sales on Ecwid requires a combination of effective marketing, optimization, and customer engagement strategies. Here's how to boost your sales. Optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images and write detailed, persuasive product descriptions. Ensure that your listings highlight benefits, features, and usage instructions to attract potential buyers. Implement SEO best practices. Optimize your store for search engines by using relevant keywords in product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. This will improve your store's visibility and drive organic traffic. Leverage social media. Promote your products on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Share engaging content, run ads, and utilize influencers to reach a broader audience. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list of customers and interested visitors. Send regular newsletters with promotions, product launches, and personalized recommendations to encourage repeat sales. Offer discounts and promotions. Attract customers with special deals, limited time offers, and discounts for first-time buyers. Promote these offers on your website and social media. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues quickly, and engage with your customers. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can significantly boost sales.